Average plumbing cost. How much would it cost? This is the first thing most homeowners will ask the moment they realize that they need to call the plumber to fix a problem with the plumbing. Before we get to the average cost of the most common plumbing repairs, let us first discuss the factors that can affect the price of plumbing repairs. 1. Size and type of the job. Simple unclogging of drains costs less than replacing or installing a fixture. 2. The materials needed. The cost of the materials should be factored in. Plumbers can usually get discounts for some plumbing materials. 3. Is it an emergency? If you want or need the job done pronto and it's the middle of the night or if it's a holiday, the price would be higher. 4. Where do you live? Where you live can affect the cost of plumbing repairs. It is usually higher in cities than in rural areas. 5. Hourly or fixed rate. Many plumbers charge per hour, but a fixed rate can be agreed upon before work begins. Now that we have determined the factors that affect plumbing cost, let's check out the average prices of common plumbing problems. Water heater repairs, $125 to $175. Water heater replacement, $850 to $1,650. Septic tank cleanout, $350 to $750. Clogged drain repair, $100 to $150. Unclogging a toilet, $125 to $250. Replacing a toilet, $400. Hourly rates depend on the plumber's credentials or license. Apprentice plumber, $19. Plumber, $15. Journeyman plumber, $21. Master plumber, $24. For more helpful plumbing information, click on the link below this video.